Let's start with the chapter Special Education and Support Services. Now, what do we mean by special education? The education for children with special needs means with physical, mental and social challenges is called special education. What is inclusive education? When the children with special educational needs study in general classrooms with their peers. In such system, the special educators would not directly teach children with SEN special educational needs, but they provide instructional support to the regular teachers. This system is called inclusive education. What is integrated education? Inclusive schools where SEN special educational needs students are the part of regular classes. This type of system emphasizes the placement of children with disability in mainstream schools. This is called integrated education. Now, what are the services which are provided to SEN students? These services include resource material, transport facilities, counseling for children and parents, speech therapy, physical and occupational therapy. Occupational therapy means use of meaningful activities. Example, getting dressed, writing, etc. Along with that, medical services are provided to SEN students. Next, what are the tasks of teacher dealing with SEN children? First, she should know how to break up the lesson into interesting and small units. She should work slowly and patiently with these children. Different skills are required to teach a child with deafness and blindness or specific disability. How will we define disability? Disability is a term which covers impairment, limitations in activity, restrictions in participation. Is called disability. Various types of disability are intellectual impairment, where the IQ is between 80 to 89. Visual impairment means total or partial blindness. Hearing impairment means partial or total hearing loss. Cerebral palsy, difficult movement, posture and speech. Autism is a disability which is affecting the communication and social interactions of child. Locomotor disability means difficult movement because of damaged bones and muscles. Learning disability means difficulty in reading and writing. What are the causes of these disabilities? We have divided them into three types of causes. They may be genetic or non-genetic. Genetic, common example sickle cell anemia. Non-genetic, heart diseases. Disabilities may be at the time of birth or after the birth. At the time of birth, brain injury. After, visual disorder. Or during the development means behavioral disorder. Special educational methods. This includes assessment of cognitive development of child and his language development. Based on the assessment report, IEP Individualized Education Program is developed for each student who are working with special educator. Next, regular evaluation of IEP Individualized Educational Program is undertaken to know proper progress of the child. Speech therapy, counseling are used as a support service to get desirable effects. Training of special educators. How does the training in special education help in understanding the children's need? Let's see. It develops the sensitivity. Special educators are trained to be sensitive towards the children with disabilities. Their language develops respect for the child. They help in growing belief that these children can learn and grow like other children. Knowledge about the disabilities. Special educator must have a knowledge about nature of different disabilities. Characters. Example, child with cerebral palsy may also have intellectual impairment. Interpersonal skills. In training, educators acquire communication skills which is required in their work. Pedagogical skills. She should know the art and science of teaching the students. She should know how to break up and simplify the concepts and the lessons. What is PWD Act? Need for special educators in educational programs in inclusive education setting is increased. After Person with Disabilities Act 1995 was passed. This includes SARVA SHIKSHA ABHIYAN SSA. It has a provision for 8 years of education for all the children, including those with disabilities. Hence, the demand of special educators increases in this field. With this, we have finished this chapter and we are going to meet very soon with the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.